The hotel breakfast area was opened at 7, and we were there by 10 past. It was the last morning of our 3-day trip to Kanazawa. Our suitcases were already packed and waiting by our room door. The breakfast area smelled of fresh coffee and grilled fish. On the first morning, we had stood at the entrance, unsure where to sit. Now, my wife walked straight to the small table by the window. We called it our table, although it has only been 2 days. The same staff member nodded at us the way he had yesterday. I didn't need to read the little signs above the buffet anymore. I knew which coffee machine button gave the stronger cup. The second from the left, with the faded label. My wife came back with a small plate of local pickles. She had tried a different kind each morning, and today she took the purple ones again. Outside the window, the narrow street was just waking up. The shop owner across the road came out and started rolling up the shutter. We didn't eat as fast as we had on the other mornings. Our train was at 11, and there was nothing to do before then. Around us, the other guests hurried through their breakfast. They must have plans. I went back for a second cup of coffee, the stronger button, of course. When I sat down, my wife was looking out the window. She said we should come back in winter, during crab season when the snow is falling. At the entrance, the staff member gave us one more small bow. The breakfast area would open again tomorrow at 7. Someone else would sit at our table. By then, we would be home.